Hi gang, I think I may need to reintroduce myself to my YouTube family over here. It's been a little bit of a gap in since our last video, but we upgraded our camera, we finally have a microphone, and I had some, I wouldn't say, there were glitches over on the blog, but the series that I've been doing is tied into the blog, and the blog was migrating to a bigger and faster hosting site, so I was just waiting for just all these little issues to resolve themselves before I pop back over here. But I'm back. Yes, this is Beth from Style at a Certain Age, and I'm so happy you tuned in today. Welcome, if this is your first time. And I will just mention I am switching up when I release the videos. So before it was Sundays and Thursdays, and then now we're going to do Wednesdays and maybe Fridays for the second video. So stay fluid with me with that. But again, back to the basics, because that's a series that I started early in January. And it all started with a closet cleanse. I highly recommend this twice a year. And I have many readers ask me, why do they need to clean their closet? Well, you may have a very cluttered closet and you're not even able to see what you have to work with. So it's very important to get rid of those items that no longer fit, perhaps they're damaged, or they're just plain worn out. And so once you've done that, then you can assess your closet and see what you have to work with. And I always say that to have a really functional closet, you have to get back, that's what the series is called, back to the basics. And I just liken it to building a house. When you start to build a house, you always lay that foundation first. And the same goes with the closet. So it will be a very hard-working wardrobe for you. And last time that we talked about the basics, it was all about tops. So this week, it's going to be all about the bottoms. Are you ready? Okay, we're going to go. And when we're talking core pieces, or as I said, the basic pieces to your wardrobe, just think about they're the items that connect one piece to another in your closet. So you have a very wow, maybe kind of out there print on a skirt or a pair of pants. If you grab for just a simple top, a white crew neck, or maybe a white button down, then you'll be able to wear that item without having to further shop for something special to go with it. And I get the inevitable question, I talk in generalities, and most people do when it comes to the basics, but be aware that you need to mix in those styles that work best for you. If a crew neck white tee is not flattering to your figure, then just think of a V-neck or a scoop neck. And if a white button-down shirt you think you're too busty, I'm busty and I wear them, but if you think you're too busty, then just go with a more fluid white blouse. So feel free to, think outside of the box for what fits you. But I do speak in generalities, and I will do that this week when it comes to bottom. Also, I want to remind you, when we're talking about the basics, we're talking about neutral colors. So that's the nude or the camel, that's white, that's black, that's gray, that's navy. I also like to throw in the wintertime, olive and burgundy. But for the sake of today's video, I'm mostly talking about black. So fill in that color that is best for you. And first up with bottoms, of course, is the skirt, the black skirt. And most women have a black skirt in their closet. And what do you want to think about with black skirts? You want to think about one that's flattering to your figure. So there's a variety of skirts out there, but most women look very, very stylish in a pencil skirt. So I would say if there's only one skirt that you can afford, purchase one black pencil skirt in a seasonless wool or maybe a ponte fabric, because it has a little bit of a give. Next is that's very flattering on most figures is the skater skirt. So that's has a little bit of a flirty flounce to it. An A-line, that happens to be one of my favorite. An A-line always works. And then think of different lengths. So you want a midi and then you want a maxi. But definitely a black skirt, because man, oh man, it goes with everything. And next on our list, and most women might even go with pants before they even go with skirts. I happen to like both, but you just do whatever whatever works for you. But a pair of black pants definitely works, and they really work year-round if you get a tropical wool. And so the most flattering shape, I think, is the wide leg, and the flare has been a little bit popular. in recent years, but or a straight leg. So, but besides the wide leg, the flare, and the straight leg, you want to have a really nice ankle pant on hand. And what else did I say? I guess that's it. I guess I covered it. So, black pant. Next on my list for basics for your closet is denim. And some of you may be scratching your head, why am I adding denim? But denim these days, you can dress them up, you can dress them down. It takes you almost anywhere except, you know, an ultra formal event. And it just depends on, you know, what you pair it with. So denim definitely is in my go-to for basics. If you only have room in your closet for one pair of denim, get a dark rinse, because a dark rinse is a little bit dressier than a lighter rinse. It's also more slimming. And just get a straight leg. But if you have room in your closet, I don't think you can ever have enough denim. I mean, and you'll see things, you know, come in and out of trends as far as denim. I mean, years ago, the skinny jean was a trend, but now it's become a classic. So you definitely want to have a skinny jean on hand. An ankle length is really nice. Boot cuts are very, very flattering. That's just a wider cut. A flare, those are very, very popular right now. And then if you like, you know, add on the distress, add on the phrase, boyfriend, girlfriend, denim, those are very, very popular. I mean, the sky's the limit when it comes to denim, but you can do so much with them when it comes to dressing them up or dressing them down. So it's definitely a basic in my closet. And next for my basics for bottoms is the cargo pant. And there again, you might also be wondering why I'm adding a cargo pant in as far as basics are concerned. But this is not a trend. This is really a very, very versatile pant. And I like it either in the green, in the utility green, maybe a darker olive, or a beige. But this is an item that you can, again, it's very similar to the denim, but it kind of gives you a break from denim. And you can throw a blazer on it. You know, you can just, you know, you can put a chunky sweater over it. They really run the gamut as far as how versatile they are and the occasions that you can wear them to. So just look for a straight leg or an ankle length and you will be good to go with another great basic in your closet. And last but not least is the little black dress, or the LBD. And it's not technically a bottom, but it's not technically a top, so I wasn't really sure, you know, which category to put it in. But every woman should have a little black dress because, again, this is such a versatile item. And if you pick wisely, you can take the little black dress just about anywhere and everywhere. But there are just a few little, I guess, guidelines if you want one dress that can really work hard for you. And one is you don't want it to be too short. You also don't want to reveal too much information or your bare essentials. So keep, you know, how much skin you want to reveal, and you don't want to reveal too much. What else? Oh, not too tight. You don't want it to be too form-fitting. You really just kind of want it to skim your curves, and you don't want it to be too dressy, because when the fabric is like a satin or a peau de soie, you can only wear it in the evening time. So, little black dress. The different styles would be a shift dress. My favorite definitely is a sheath dress. There's A-line, there's wrap dresses, there's shirt dresses, can't forget that. And that's what's going to take you a lot of places. And just to quickly review all of the bottoms that are on the basics list. A black skirt, of course the black pant, my favorite, denim, in a dark rinse if you only have room for one in your closet. Cargo pant in green or beige, and the little black dress that will take you everywhere.